Hello there guys and welcome to our next class for the fourth unit. This is a class that is part of Big School in 7th grade. Our subject is science and we are working on week number 31 today. Let's start with our presentation and let's go over our end in mind. Students will be able to design an experiment based on a tutorial video about how to build and recreate a volcanic eruption. So this is what I was telling you about last week. I hope that you are done already with your experiment, or of course that you have advanced a lot with it already. And what are the summary of the activities that you need to complete today? Number 1, conduct the experiment shown in the video and write a scientific report. Make sure to include pictures. So remember that when I tell you that you need to write a scientific report, you need to include all of the steps of the scientific method. What are the steps of the scientific method? Observation, hypothesis, then experiment, analysis, and conclusions. Please make sure to include those 5 steps in there. And of course, you have to relate it to what we have studied before. So I suggest that your hypothesis is someone directed to, for example, if you are going to produce a quiet eruption or an explosive eruption, and what the consequences will be in the regions that are close by to your volcanic eruption. And of course, it's something to take into consideration. And number 2, create a compilation of your work in one document. It can be either Word or PDF, and upload it to Educativa. Important to notice that in your experiment, you also need to include the date, you need to include the end in mind, and the title. After those three things, you can continue with the scientific report about the experiment. All right, those are the 2 activities. You can always find the link to the experiment in your unit program. So you can go to the unit program with today's date, click on that link, and then it will redirect you to the resources in YouTube. And here you have it. You can find the link to the video in your unit program. And lastly, and very important, remember to have fun. That's what science is about, having fun, and of course, discovering new principles by yourselves. That'll be about it. I'm very excited about taking a look at your projects during our live session. So make sure to have your project with you. And I will see you in a couple of minutes. So goodbye, everyone. It's been great to see you.